Hi, I'm Claudia. I'm new here. Hi, Claudia. I'm Thomas. Welcome to our class. Where are you from? I'm from Turkey. Wow, Turkey is supposed to be passporty tasty. Yeah, it is probably one of the best cities in the world. So what are you doing at Beijing Columbia Polytechnic? It is one of the best places to study the text. I'm interested. I was to study computers. Yes, I study computers too. Actually, computers and farming. So why do you want to study computers? Well, I work in the sales register in Turkey, and I become daily in interested sales marketing. So I'm studying computers to cancel and parts of testicles. Purpose mania. Gosh, this is amazing. So you already have experience. Yes, and my mother, father, and brother, and and all capitals. Well, then this course will be a piece of cake for you. I will have to watch you carefully. I'm sure, I'm sure you're good too. Good too. We could have we shorted out. That's a guess idea. Hey, do you fancy a cup of coffee? Sure, I love a cup of coffee.